February 2nd is National Brown Dog Day. This day was established in 2021 to honor and celebrate those lively and lovable brown puppies. When February 2nd comes around each year, it's an important reminder to celebrate every brown dog we've ever known. As one of the more common canine colors, brown dogs can be found in breeds all over the world, with the most popular being the adorable Labrador breed. For everyone who owns a brown-toned dog, give them some special love on this day. Dogs may have evolved with humans, and stories of their adventures with humans have delighted generations for centuries. We believe dogs were as beloved long ago as they are today, and stories of mutual respect between canines and us humans can be found as far back as the Aboriginal people of East Asia, North America, Siberia, and Australia. Archaeologists have unearthed remains from 14,200 years ago that shows a dog buried next to a human. The domestication of dogs preceded multiple landmark events of animal domestications in the human world, such as the domestication of other animals such as wild boars, sheep, and goats. The original Labrador, which dates back to Canada, was bred by European settlers. Subsequently, the breed was imported to England for hunting purposes. Later, they were mated with English hounds for breeding, creating the Labrador as we know it, and the first Labrador appeared in the world in 1892. This day is an extra drawing for all dogs, especially our brown dogs. How should we celebrate this day? We can go for a walk or jog with our dogs, go to an unleashed dog park with our friends and everyone's pet dogs, pick up toys for our pet dogs together at our favorite pet-friendly store. We can play frisbee with our pet dog in an open space in the park, or spend some time at a pet grooming store and finally pick out a nice bow or bandana for our pooch. We might also consider making a donation to our local animal shelter. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great National Brown Dog Day. Cheers!